Hey, I'm Tom Sinclair with Eastern Shore Broadcasting. I'm concerned about what's going on with vMix and Windows Defender. Windows Defender seems to be wanting to mark vMix as a virus or as a harmful program on your computer. And it happened to me yesterday. All of a sudden, Tuesday night, Windows Defender updated its definitions. And Wednesday morning, when I went into prep for the Streaming Idiots show, my vMix was all askew. And so I'm suggesting that the actions that I'm about to tell you be taken as a preventative. These actions were outlined by Martin Sinclair, the developer of vMix, in the vMix forums as a fix for what happened to me yesterday. And I'm suggesting that you may want to do this as a preventative method. And let's see if we can bring up what this is. This is essentially opening the command prompt, which is the old MS-DOS, opening it as administrator and entering the following 3 lines. And I'll put these in the comments below so that you can just cut and paste them. But the first line basically changes to the Windows Defender subdirectory. The second line removes the current definitions. And then the third line basically restores a fresh set of definitions. So the concept is, if you will do that now as a preventative, you might not have to endure what I endured yesterday with vMix, where vMix was just messed up. And it was Windows Defender that it was at fault. I ran those 3 lines through the command prompt. Again, had to do it as administrator. That was a key there. And it cleared up the Windows Defender problem, and then I actually had to remove vMix and reinstall it in order to get that to work. I'm sure soon, I hope soon, that Microsoft will realize they have an error and go in and fix whatever's going on in Windows Defender. But in the meantime, if you will use those 3 lines, and I'll put them back up on the screen here in just a second, if you will use those 3 lines and go ahead and do that as a preventative. And again, that is to open the command prompt as an administrator, and that's the good old MS-DOS, and then enter each one of these lines one at a time and allow them to do their thing. The third line, the signature update, could take a little while because it's going to have to download signature updates and install them. So be patient on that. But the idea is that you can do this as a preventative, again, as a preventative. And certainly you can do it as a fix. Anyway, so we want vMix to win this battle. So do this and be prepared. And if I can help you in any way, just give me a shout out, Tom Sinclair at easternshorebroadcasting.com, or you can go to the website easternshorebroadcasting.com. Thanks so much.